The other one is the inline mic setup with noise, and the third one is, actually there are three tests, is the 360-degree view. It's kind of distracting. Makes you wonder, keeps looking the rear view mirror. Curious about the stability of the mount. It's pretty sturdy, but time will tell. It's kind of bouncing around in the back. Peak rush hour, blistering heat. Take it up to 45, 50, see. I'm not sure about the wind buffeting and the how much of that noise is caught by the mic. Let's see. I don't have a windscreen, so that's kind of how I like to ride the bike, especially in summers. Trying to see how much of that wind noise is being caught in the mic. The mic is inside my helmet, and this is supposed to be one of the quieter helmets, if not the quietest. We'll put that to the test. So far, the mount seems to be holding up. Yeah, I'll just cut this short. Traffic is ridiculous even in the suburbs. And I forgot to bring my wallet. How about that? Probably take it out to the twisties in the next couple of days. The interesting thing is you can easily take a glance at the camera to the rear view mirror, so it's not terribly distracting. Now the wind has picked up. I can't hear myself. I'm curious to see how the audio is being recorded through my helmet mic. I actually had a problem with my GoPro 10, but they were good enough to replace it with GoPro 12. It's part of the warranty replacement. So let's see. Right now we're driving through the suburbs of McKinney, Texas. It's a suburb north of Dallas. Newly built, I would say. Most of it still under construction. What can I say? Just another suburb. Now I can't seem to find any ND filters for the X5, so I'm curious to see if the video is going to be overexposed. But let's see. Yeah, I think the two clamps did the trick. Two different mounting points. I think it is somewhat stable. It has a little bit of flex. I didn't extend it all the way. So, seems to be holding up. But I know for a fact that the extended selfie stick is definitely the way to go. Gotta fork up $100. I'm gonna go right through the neighborhood this time. And I'm out of gas. How about that? So yeah, this is like a mini test that if I were to be on a tour and I have two cameras running, how would I be able to edit the content, bringing in the perspective from both cameras and my audio narration. And I am tempted to test out another angle on the camera, on the bike I'm in. But this first person view is definitely very interesting. I know people put it at a almost 45 degrees angle off to the side from your handlebar, and also the same thing, the 3/4 look from the back. So that's another thing I could test out. But the first person view from the back was the one that piqued my interest the most. I still feel like the angle is a bit low on it. I may have to adjust it slightly, but let's see. Like a 45 degree angle, I'm almost thinking. Right now it's more like 30 degree angle. I feel like 45 will be too high of a view, almost like a bird's eye view, and this is more like somebody's following you from behind. But let's see. And my progeny is here. And what was I thinking? Alrighty. It's quite low actually. I was hoping it to be a little bit to higher angle. I think it did drop. Well, we'll find out. Alright, tuning out.